The following day, we were on holy ground. That's right, we made it to Sundance. Being here is like walking through history. And while they have their famous owl bar and tree room restaurant, Sundance was founded on the idea of art first, so I was super excited to experience their workshop where they offer all sorts of amazing arts and crafts that you can do yourself. Jewelry making, to couture soap molding, to pottery throwing and glazing. This is a cathedral of creativity where in the most idyllic natural setting you can get in touch with your artistic side no problem. I opted for designer candle making, which was super fun and foolproof. After choosing your vessel and your custom scent, you can melt down your wax and pour your own candle, which makes nothing less than a perfect gift. Just up the road from Sundance is Switzerland. Well, Zurmatt, Utah at least, which is a town completely inspired by the Swiss town by the same name. Kitschy and cute, this is an amazing place to explore that is less consumed by the usual tourists, but offers so much more in every way possible, right down to the original vintage merry-go-round that is like charm on tap. From the wholesome carnival ride, we find ourselves down the road at Soldier Hollows, which hosted some of the 2002 Winter Olympics, most notably the biathlon, where you or anyone can take part in the fun led by actual Olympic biathletes. I really can't explain how amazingly cool this was. Honestly, one of the top 10 experiences of all time.